So hi guys, now Hex price again confirmed its bottom and trying to recover the phase of 0.22 as it touched yesterday the bottom. You can see the price here, friend. This was around $0.19 and again it jumped to $0.27 $0.217 around. So now it is just going to recover its last phase, and this October month was very difficult for this, and now we are entering and entered already 5 days past to November, and after 1 week I am expecting that Hex would recover and create uptrending, and very soon we would be very close to its all-time high, that is 0.5 m by the end of this month, and the starting of December it would create a new all-time high or even can do better if Pulsion launched at the time, friend, because many of the whales sold out in the dip and they unstuck. That's why this was the reason it was consistently dropping down the bottom. You can see within 30 days 43% minus, 14 days 22.9% minus, and 7 days almost 14% minus. So this was very dangerous scenario for hexagons actually, who are the new one people, but old and stickers are chilled and cool because fluctuation doesn't affect these guys. That's why Hex has been designed just for stay away from trading and just stakes and be chill, friend, because up and down are the part of the life and cryptocurrency, friend. That's why if you are in crypto with Hex, you must follow the pattern of this one. You must stake the things. If we talk regarding 90 days, this was the chart, friend, created all-time high from 0.1 to 0.51. it is almost you can say 5x from here, 5.5x, but the price actually upped from 0.05 to 0.51, so it was almost 10x from just 4 months, 4 to maximum 5 months, you can say, because the price start pumping while June. So June, July, August, September, October, 5 months. Okay, now in December, so I don't think the price would go below than 0.19 or 0.18. Let's see what happened, because it is a very big buying support here, and if the scenario, if the Bitcoin is pumping much more hard and going to around $100,000 within this month ending, then it can also crash to $0.1, because Hex always inversely proportional to Bitcoin, whatever it is following. It's never follow Bitcoin direct. Okay, friends, so hoping that it would do better. If we talk regarding 7 days, 0.19 was the lowest and 0.26 was the highest, so was very good chance here to sell here and buy here again this one. So within upcoming 2 days I am thinking that it will again create 0.26 or above than that, and by the mid of this November the price could go $0.4 very soon, friend. Let's switch to Richard Heart tweet. What's going on here? So friends, Richard did not tweet recently, but it was before 18 hours back. There is the 2 videos you can go through, friends. Some of the person is showing here the painting, this one, and again this is the another one he is promoting. So they are the good YouTuber people. That's why Richard had directly promoted to these guys. And on this 21 hours back, Hex.com is doing the same stuff it's always done. What does it mean? It mean to say, friend, just a minute, let me do some large more. Okay, so here what is want to say, actually in this video Richard Heart want to say the price is going to create parabolic upward, but while pumping it also takes some corrections like this one. For each and every new all-time high it's create also some lower. Okay, it consolidate and then it pump again, it pump from here to here and dumped, and after that is pump. So this is the zigzag action, upper lower and bottom, and after this trend it would create a new all-time high that would go around if we talk this one consistently, the price is showing $2.41 friend, $2.41 by the end of the year, or you can say the starting month of the January it can go according to this chart. And who knows, $1.4 by Christmas I am expecting, and 0.8 could even also go by the end of the November if everything is going very well and Persian is going to be launched, friend. Okay, it is not any financial advice but my analysis and predictions and speculations, friend. Do your own research before investing here. But if you are new in this crypto and want to stake for hacks and want to generate very smart income, you can just follow the link having Staker app, which is the having most secure wallet like Ledger Nano as security. You can create your wallet with just paying only $10 for lifetime, and you can buy some hacks from there directly with your debit credit card, or can switch from crypto, and from there you can stake, friend, accordingly. Okay, the time period accordingly, as I am going to stake for 5 years on PLS network, but already I have staked for 3 years something around 45,000 hacks for my dream house and Lambo that would I purchase after 2025 to 2030, and after 3 years maturity of my stakes I would also reinvest to all of these for my daughter future education. And now if we talk regarding this one, if you want to buy, you can buy on behalf of 1 Ethereum 20,391 hacks, that is equal to somehow $4,500. Actually I remember the last time I bought almost at the price of $0.4 I bought something 8,000 to 10,000 hacks, but now price is just half from there, so it is very good deal to all of you, friend. And unfortunately I did not stake because of the so much higher gas fees, and if the gas fees become from 5x from here, it would be very difficult to all of people who want to unstake or stake. That's why PLS is there. So Persian is going to be launched very soon, friend. Persian is going to be launched very soon, and it would go parabolic as Hex did 10,000x on 623 days. Persian has such a potential to hit 10,000x within 10,000x within 1 year only, friend, within 1 year. Okay, so Persian code, this is the Persian code, friend. Testnet and GoPulse, this one Block Scout, Persian testnet, I have already told you regarding this, friend. And live demo I told you, Persian.info, pulse.info, from where you can see the all sacrifice status, what happened, friend. And I think this would be really very nice in the future. If you want to donate, you can donate from here, but now the prices are so dangerous, so you should not do right now, friend. Persian airdrop has ended. This is the Sense Research Foundation. Okay guys, so expecting for 5,000 to 10 500 to 1000x within a year, or even go 10,000x if it created much more FOMO, because this is the fork of Ethereum, and in crypto everything is possible. So nothing, not any financial advice, friend. And please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. This is my channel, friend. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe the channel Crypto Financial Freedom, from where you can get the news of hacks and update of Pulse Chain, as well as free and hidden gems, just like I told in my previous video regarding the good gem that is going to be the Bybit Launchpad CBX, already 40x, friend, from the listing price, and much more hacks, free UFO and a lot of gems I have shared in free totally, friend. So please motivate me by liking, and if you are the big whale of Pulse Chain and hacks, in the below description you can donate us just for helping the community and for humanity. So friend, we can deep dive and bring a lot of great content to all of you guys, just for exploring our hexagon community throughout the world. Okay guys, thank you very much, and I request to all of the existing viewer and new viewer to please subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.